Hello, see you again. This week's 6 hot picks are here. The first one is the competitive humidifier. Its year-round interest spikes, proving its demand stability. 2.9 million likes and high-intent comments on TikTok confirm its massive viral appeal. For dropshippers, this item offers a guaranteed high engagement at creative, wide audience appeal, wellness, home decor, and the security of Amazon's choice status, and a hot seller tag, making it a low-risk product with exceptional scaling potential throughout the year. It's an evergreen, viral bestseller that solves dry indoor air and the need for tranquility. An adorable cloud design, adjustable ambient lighting, and ability to serve as a unique home decoration make it instantly appealing. Launch this trending product now. Don't miss out on the scorching hot tattoo sticker trend. With viral videos hitting millions of likes across social media and amazing sales figures, multiple styles exceeding big sales, maintaining a 4.6-star rating on Amazon, its long-term market appeal is undeniable. This product is easy to apply and offers diverse designs, perfectly catering to users who want to express their individuality without the pain of a real tattoo. It's the perfect accessory for festivals, parties, and fashion events. The third one is the Plush tablet pillow stand. The image showcases its explosive market performance, evidenced by the rising sales trend, 4.7-star Amazon's choice status, and 1K plus units sold last month, making it an irresistible, proven seller. Say goodbye to hand and neck discomfort with this soft, stable, and hands-free phone and tablet stand. Its unique design doubles as a snack bowl, adding extra consumer utility. Check the fourth, neck and shoulder massager. It has consistent seasonal demand, spiking regularly around late fall, winter, and its massive social media virality is confirmed by the Pound Massager hashtag boasting 231 6K posts, and user testimonials driving hundreds of thousands of likes. This item effectively alleviates pain across multiple body parts, directly addressing the growing consumer focus on health and self-care. Dropshippers, secure this high-potential product and stock up now. The fifth item is the suction cup hooks. Its Google search trend is rising, showing strong sales potential. Don't miss this money-making opportunity. Many buyer reviews and quantifiable sales across different platforms, proving its immense market demand. A practical home organization solution that directly solves the pain point of permanent installation by offering a drill-free, heavy-duty hanging option for smooth surfaces. This makes it a recommended hot pick. The last one is the automatic hair curler. It is recommended as a hot pick for dropshippers due to its predictable seasonal sales peaks, massive social proof, and proven conversion rate. It features reduced heat damage and keeps hair soft and shiny, which brilliantly solves the pain point of achieving quick, effortless, and long-lasting salon-quality curls. Dropshippers, its small size keeps more margins, and begin the beauty niche today with this evergreen item.